Hi everyone. So I've decided to do a series of Qigong based on the 6 healing sounds, which I'll be teaching step by step and mostly at first in pairs, functional pairs for specific functions. For example, sounds for anxiety, sounds for stress and better sleep, and sounds for digestion. Okay? Now the first step is first how to sit and breathe. So to sit on your chair, don't go all the way back, go in the middle or in front of your chair. So your butt bones can be flat on the chair. Try to have more or less a 90-degree angle at your knees and palms down wherever you like on your lap. Suspend the crown a little bit to have a straight back. Relax the shoulders, relax the chest, relax the belly. Okay, so that's the first point. How to sit in a vertical manner on your chair for Qigong practice. And before you do any of the sounds, the first practice you'll always do is breathing. Okay? So everyone knows how to breathe, but not everyone knows how to breathe efficiently or properly. Efficiently enough to reduce your stress naturally through your breath. Many people chest breathe, and I've come to know that in yoga they actually teach to tighten the core in some way, depending on the style. So I'm not bashing yoga, I'm just saying in Qigong we do something else. Okay, in Qigong we relax the belly, relax the muscles, so that your diaphragm can move down deeper. And another thing we do is we simply observe the breath. We don't do the breath. I hope that makes sense. So this is a very simple exercise, but it can be very potent for your health and stress levels. So for beginners, I suggest you put your fingers on your dantian area, which is below your belly button. Let's say 1.5 inches or so. And then relax your mind, relax your face and eyes, and let your mind drop into your body. So we're doing the opposite of thinking. When you think of something, there's tension in the forehead, the face. Release everything. In your face area, your eyes or forehead, and let that holding of the thoughts drop into your body so that your mind can saturate and spread throughout the whole body. And then pay attention to your abdomen, the whole abdomen, and especially the lower belly. And all you're going to do is relax any muscle tension you feel in your abdomen and let the breath happen on its own in the lower part of your belly. So if you're quite tense in your belly, you might not feel your fingers moving back and forth. So this is why we put the fingers on the dantian point below your belly button, because ideally when you let yourself inhale, it will push your fingers forward, and when you exhale, they'll come back a little bit. So keep relaxing your whole abdomen, all the muscles, the guts and everything inside, and simply observe the breath happen naturally. Try to maintain an even flow And don't worry if you're breathing a bit fast or a bit slow. And if you're not breathing in more than 60%, that's also correct. You don't need to breathe in to the maximum or breathe out to the maximum. So we are simply observing the breath in the lower part of the abdomen and relaxing everything around the abdomen. Allow the breath to happen and stay with it. And once you're confident that you're actually moving your fingers here, on the dantian point, you can place them back here. And you can continue with this process for as long as you like. In preparation for these exercises, at least 5 minutes is recommended. Thank you.